Feeding the world. It's a big job. To do it, you need a fuel that works every bit as hard as you do. Propane can do that. It's already added before sunrise, just like you. And it's there when you're ready to call it a day. From irrigating crops to keeping your family warm, this fuel gets the job done. That's why propane has been a familiar sight on farms from coast to coast and everywhere in between for more than 100 years. Yet this isn't the fuel of generations past. Propane is the farm fuel for the future. Clean, efficient, reliable, American. It's powering the kind of cutting-edge equipment that yesterday's farmers could never have imagined. And from reducing emissions to boosting the bottom line, it's doing more for more producers than ever before. Take a look at your operation. If you'd like an easier way to reduce your emissions and lower your fuel costs, if you'd like consistent performance from a reliable fuel, if you'd like less to worry about and more to look forward to, propane can do all of that.